In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can turn on background download on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first, go to the settings app on your iPhone, and it's going to bring you to this page. And here you have to scroll down to the bottom and hit this apps section. Once you find it, click it, and it's going to bring you to this page. Here you have to go to the App Store section. If you don't find it, just hit the search bar and search for it. Once you click it, it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you'll see this automatic downloads option. Make sure you have turned on all of these. Once these are green, it means all of them are turned on. Just toggle it on, and then you can see there's this option that says mobile data, and that's your cellular section. You have to simply turn this on that says automatic downloads. Just click it and it's going to turn it on. Now click this app downloads over here, and here you have to choose always ask if you want, or you can choose always allow, and you can choose this option that says ask if over 200 MB. This only allows apps under 200 MB to download automatically using mobile data or your cellular data, and that's how you do it.